Hello, hello. I'm just going to go ahead and show you one of the methods I have used with my third graders to help elapsed time run a little bit smoother, just a different organizational tool to kind of map out the time and how much has gone by. So I just call this the square method. It's really probably more of a rectangle. It's not even a square, but I don't know. We go in a square in as far as the shape. I guess we could call it the quadrangle or quadrilateral method, but this is kind of what I do with my kids. And I'm going to try to put on the scribble so I can show. So essentially what we do is, let's say the question is how much time is between 7:45 and 11:52 a.m. What I tell my students is think about going up to the next whole hour. So the whole o'clock or whatever. So between 7:45 and 8 o'clock, I just usually do that. There is how many minutes? So we think about that. And we know that there are 15 minutes. So we usually just write, and I'm not going to be able, no. I wish I had, oh, you know what? I'm going to use that pen. Use the pen from Screencastify way better. Okay, now we're good. 15 minutes have gone by. Bear with me as I'm using my touchpad here. And then you go to the next, and you go 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. And a lot of times do old-fashioned counting our fingers. Okay, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 3 hours. Whoops, that's not much of a 3. And then going from 11 to 11:52, that's usually the easiest because it's whatever the minutes are. So set 52 minutes. So now you have to kind of combine them to figure out the total amount of time that has elapsed. So in this case, we have to do 52 plus 15 because that's the total amount of minutes, because we take that plus this, and I get 67. So you have to remember there's 60 minutes in 1 hour. I always remember 60 minutes in 1 hour. Time to eat, brush your teeth, and shower. So 67 minutes. So we have to take away the 60 because that is 1 hour. And you are given 7 minutes left. We're going to have to remember to add that hour to the 3. Because that right there and over here. So in total, there are 4 hours and 7 minutes between 7:45 and 11:52. Now, if we wanted to, we could go ahead and look at maybe some longer time. So for example, if I woke up at 6:50 a.m. and I went to bed at 11:20 p.m., that could be a real life example. You know, how much time were you up in a day? Same thing. And I'm going to go 6:50 to 7, and that's just 10 minutes. And then 7 to 11. Now here's where you can kind of work smarter, not harder. You can go, well, I know 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. is 12 hours. So anytime you have 5 o'clock to a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m., that's 12 hours. So I could think about 7 to 7 as the 12 hours. And then I could think 7 o'clock to 11 o'clock, that's 7 to 8 to 9 to 10 to 11, 4 hours. So in total, there's going to be 16 hours because 12 plus 4 is 16. If you're not ready for that, you could just go 7 a.m. to 8 to 9 to 10 to 11 to 12 to 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 to 9 to 10 to 11. So when I did that little wave, that was my like mental note to say 10. And then we got to 6, so 16. So there are 16 hours in total. And then 11 to 11:20 again. We just look at that right there, 20 minutes. And for this one, it's a little easier. We don't have to do the hour collaboration. 10 minutes plus 20 minutes is 30 minutes. And we found out there were 16 hours. So there you go. That's a little method that I found to be very helpful for my third graders when I was teaching them elapsed time. Good luck.